Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk about Music Maker. Now this is going to be a little bit of a flash review because I thought I want to tell people who follow my reviews on the channel about this product because it's a great example of a complete disconnect between a sales page and what you actually get once you jump inside the product. So this is actually due to be released on the 2nd of December and it comes from these two. You might want to remember these two because you want to avoid products that are coming from vendors like this, and I'll tell you why during the review. So basically this is supposed to be some kind of music maker that allows you to have unlimited amounts of music, and it's going to replace Spotify and Apple Music. That's the first massive disconnect here, because what you actually get is this piece of software here that allows you to get some audio tracks. So they've got a lot of audio tracks and put them up here. They're claiming there's millions of them. There's only 13 pages of these audio tracks, so that can't be millions when you've only got 30 on each page. Quick calculation, that says there's about 400. The other thing is there's an audio library on here. What all they've done is bunched it into different types of audio, so that for some reason they've spelled generate wrong on there. When you jump inside you get one type of audio. When you ask it to regenerate, it'll just give you a different audio track. That's all it does, and all the audio sounds like this, guys. It's not by any kind of contemporary artist, it's just random audio they've found somewhere. So it's all very strange. It doesn't do anything as far as replacing Spotify and Apple Music. The other thing you need to be aware of is that the rest of this has got no connection to anything. You go on here and you've got a background removal tool. Just got a Canva for anything like this. You don't need to buy software like this. Image to sketch. So you're going to put some kind of image there. It's going to change it into a sketch. You can search images, search videos, search sketches. No reason why. They don't tell you why you need to be able to search things. You got an image editor and a video editor here. Let's have a look at the video editor, see how complex that is. So basically you have to download a piece of video editing software to your Mac. Who's going to do that from vendors like this? You've got a screen recorder here. Again, no connection to this page whatsoever. Where does it say anything about screen recording or anything? You've got video templates here. No connection again. What they've done is put a load of other products and just rammed them in here as if it's some kind of more value. But it's not. And then you have some tutorials at the end here. And basically the tutorials are a 4-minute demo. And all this does is take you through what the different parts of the software does. So nowhere on here, no training on here, nothing on here tells you you can actually make money yourself. Now I've seen some other reviews on here saying that you send people over to your site and they're going to be buying music off you. How? How are you going to set up the site? Where's your payment gateways? How do they pay for this music? Is this music even allowed to be sold? You don't know any of this stuff from using this types of software. So I just thought I'd just jump on quickly, guys, because I just think there's such a disconnect between this and this. Is quite unreal. Now when you go and have a look at the sales page, I knew this was going to happen as I went through the sales page. There's no explicit financial proof on here. There is some of these random graphics on here saying I started using Music Maker and it's the best alternative to Spotify and Apple Music. Where are my podcasts? Where is the music? Where are the modern artists? Where are the millions of other tracks from different types of artists on Spotify or Apple Music? Where is all that stuff then? All I'm doing is getting random files. It is completely disconnected. Now when you look at the actual testimonials, and if you've followed my reviews before, you know what I'm going to say here. Just this one here, for a start, it's not a person. So that just tells me that all of these testimonials are complete nonsense. When you go, whoever this is, Coffee Rooster, Valencia, click on this, and it's on this site, and it must appear on this site somewhere. So, false testimonials, complete nonsense on the sales page. Product's not giving you any value whatsoever, unless you, for some reason, you want to get somewhere where you can get random audio tracks. You can go on the internet right now and just type in free audio tracks and you can get them anywhere, and anything to do with editing images or getting images or building video templates, just use Canva instead. Don't purchase anything off these types of vendors. As usual, there will be a big funnel here. You could spend upwards of a couple of $100 on this type of product. Really wouldn't go anywhere near this. I think it's a complete waste of time, and you're best off spending your time building a real business. And guys, if you want to figure out how to build a business that makes you $100 a day with affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below to the School of Nomads and you can get started straight away. Hope this is valuable to you guys. Just a very quick review of Music Maker. Until next time, take care.